Hello student, welcome back. In my last video, I had started exercise 6.1, that is from application of derivative, rate of change of quantities. Today I will start from exercise question number 4. Your question number 4 is, an age of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. How fast is the volume of the cube increasing when the edge is 10 centimeter long? So as I told you earlier, first you see what is given in the question. So here you see the diagram is that means here the figure is a cube, right? And what is given? An edge of a variable cube. The cube, the edge is increasing. And at what rate it is increasing? 3 cm per second. The edge of a cube is increasing. Okay. And at what rate it is given? 3 cm per second. That means with respect to time it is increasing. The question is to find out the volume at which the cube increasing. So you have to find out at what rate the volume of the cube is increasing. So first you see, you have to consider the edge. Let us suppose here, let x be the edge of a cube. Okay, and v be the volume. V be the volume of the cube, right? So we have considered x as the edge of the cube and v be the volume. When you see in the question it is given the edge increasing, that means the rate of change of edge, that is x. With respect to time it is given as 3 centimeter per second. And what is asked? How fast the volume is increasing? What is volume? V. Increasing at the dv/dt. At when? What is that instant? At what instant you have to get it? At the instant when the edge is 10 centimeter. That means you have to get this value at the instant when x equal to 10 centimeter. So you see, as the volume is required, so we are going to use the formula of volume of a cube. So what is the volume of a cube? We have this result. Hope you remember. So your volume of the cube is x cube. The result is required, the rate of change of the volume with respect to time. So dv dt. And that is equal to what? ddt of x cube. So as earlier, you have to take the derivative of x cube with respect to t. So think x as t. It will give you 3x squared. And take the derivative of x with respect to t. That is equal to what? dx dt. And as you know, the value of dx dt, so substitute it. That is here 3x squared. The value of dx dt is 3. Right? It is given in a question. Now you see, you have got it is equal to, dv dt is equal to your value is 9x squared. But your question is to find out the rate of change of volume when the edge of the cube is 10 cm. That is, at the instant x equal to 10, you have to get the value. Therefore, your dv dt at the instant when x equal to 10 cm is equal to what? 9 into, in the place of x you substitute 10. So 9 into 10 and unit 10 square. And unit change of volume is there. So volume unit is centimeter cube per second. And that is equal to what? 900 cm cube per second. So hope you understand the solution of this question. Okay. Next I proceed to question number 5. Okay. Let me write down the question. Next question number 5. Okay. So your question number 5 is, just a minute. Okay. Okay, your question number 5 is, a stone is dropped into a quiet lake. Question is a little bit lengthy. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake. Into a quiet lake. And the waves moves. And waves moves in circle at the speed of at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave at the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? Enclosed area increasing. So first you see, first try to clear the question. So what is given here? There is a quiet lake and a stone is dropped. Hope you notice this phenomenon. That means when in a quiet lake or suppose you take a vessel and put there some water and you drop a stone. Then what happened? The water will create some waves, and waves are moves in the form of a circle. It's given in the question. And it is given a stone is dropped into a quiet lake and a waves moves in a circles. At the speed of 5 centimeter per second. So speed means what? Speed of the wave. And that is what the speed of the circle. Circle speed means what? When the radius change. Speed means rate of change of distance. And in the case of a circle, the distance means the radius. So it is given that the radius is changing with respect to time at the rate what? 5 centimeter per second. Right? Speed. Hope you understand this. And after this, what is asked? At the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter, how fast the enclosed area is increasing. You have to find out the rate of change of enclosed area. So you need to consider here the radius of the circle and the area. Formula we have to use. So let us consider, let R be the radius of a circle and capital A be its area. What is given here? It is given that dr dt. At what instant it is rate of change is what? 5 centimeter. This is given 5 cm per second. What is asked to get? The circular waves is how fast the enclosed area is increasing. You need to find out the rate of change of enclosed area. That means you need to get dA dt at the instant when the radius is 8 centimeter. This is your question. So as you see, the diagram is a circle. So area of a circle, you know, that is what? Pi r square. Because I have considered the radius as r. So rate of change of area, that is what? dA dt. What is it value? d dt of pi r square. And as you know, pi is a constant. So it will come out. d dt of r square is equal to what? Twice r into dr dt. Right? So after this, you have to calculate the value of dr dt at what instant? At the instant when r is equal to 8 centimeter. So let us do the remaining calculation. So your remaining part is, okay, dr dt, let us substitute. So you have got dA dt is equal to, I have substituted the value, twice pi r. The value of dr dt I have got it as 5. So let us substitute as 5. This will become 10 pi r. But I need to get dA dt at the instant when r is equal to 8 centimeter. You see this one. So this is 10 pi. You put r is equal to 8. And what is the unit? Area is changing. That means cm per second. So your answer you have got is what? 80 pi centimeter square per second. So this is the solution of question number 5. Hope you understand it. So here always you see, first read the question again and again, then it will be easy for you to see what is given, and after writing what is given, you write down what is to find out, and then accordingly you use the formula, you will get the result easily. Okay. Now I'll go to question number 6. Your question number 6 is the radius of a circle is increasing. Of a circle is increasing. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. The question is, what is the rate of increase of its circumference? So this is your question. So what is given in the question? The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. Radius increasing. And what is to find out? The rate at which the circumference is increasing. Increasing, or as I told you earlier, increasing means generally positive and decreasing negative. Ultimately, rate of change. So as earlier, let us consider the radius. Let R be the radius and here I need to get circumference. So let me consider this as C. C be the circumference of a circle. Then write down what is given. What is given here? The circle is increasing and the radius is increasing. That means the rate of change of area with respect to time is given as what? 0.7 cm per second. What do you need to find out? You will have to find out the rate of change of circumference, that is dc dt, at the instant. No instant is getting. You have to get dc dt. Okay? So you use the formula of the circumference. Okay? So let us find out the circumference formula. What is the formula of circumference? C is equal to circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. The rate of change of circumference, that is dc dt, twice pi is constant. Then ddt of r, which is equal to dr dt. Right? Now, you know the value of dr dt, so substitute it. That is equal to twice pi, dr dt value is 0.7 and unit is, what is changing? Circumference, that is the unit, centimeter per second. So the calculated value is equal to what? 1.4 cm per second. So this is the solution of question number 6. Next, let us proceed to the next question number 7. So your question number 7, let me write the question first. The length x of a rectangle, the length x of a rectangle is given of a length x of a rectangle is decreasing. Remember here, use a C here, is decreasing. Notice this things. See, now we have not done this type of question. At the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. Okay, and the width y is increasing. Y is increasing. Just a minute, I'll just wrap the question. The width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. The question is, when x equal to 8 centimeter, and y is equal to 6 centimeter, find the rate of change of. Two questions are given here. The perimeter, number 1, the perimeter, and number 2, the area of the rectangle. So read the question properly. Here what is given? It is given that the length of a rectangle is decreasing. Length is given as x. And x is decreasing at the rate of 5 cm per minute. So as I told you earlier, decreasing means it is denoted by rate of change, no doubt. But the decreasing is denoted by negative symbol. As increasing means positive. But it is given that the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. Units are same, right? Rate of change of length and the breadth is given. Length is decreasing and the width is increasing. You have to find out the rate of change of perimeter once and the area the next time at the instant when x equal to 8 centimeter and y equal to 6 centimeter. So as in the question here, x and y are the length and the breadth is given, width is given, so no need to write down it again. So you are in the form to write down the perimeter, formula of the perimeter and the area. Your first question you have to get the perimeter. Okay, so rate of change of perimeter, let us denote P with the perimeter. This one at the instant when x equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter. This is need to find out. Where I have considered P be the perimeter. You can write down if you want earlier. So you know the formula of the perimeter of a rectangle. What is it? 2 times of length plus breadth. So take the derivative with respect to time. So dp dt. 2 is constant. Then ddt of x plus y. So what is the ddt of x plus y? Simply u plus v rule. dx dt, dy dt. Now as you know the value of dx dt, what is given? Sorry, I forget to write down what is given. Here you can write down. dx dt is given as decreasing, right? X is decreasing at the rate of 5. So decreasing means minus 5 cm per minute. First actually you have to write down these things. Okay. So now and dy dt is given as increasing 4 cm per minute. 4 cm per minute. Initially first write down this and then we go to substitute. Okay. I just wrap the question because there is no space in the board. Okay. So okay, now I'm going to write down what is dp dt. At the instant when you have to find out x equal to, just first you have to put the values. You have here 2 into dx dt. What is the value of dx dt? It's minus 5. And dy dt is plus 4. So the calculated value is minus 1, that is equal to minus 2. So you have got the rate of change of dp dt is minus 2. But you need to get dp dt at the instant when x equal to 8 centimeter and y equal to 6 centimeter. But there is no place to substitute. Still you have to write down that step. Minus 2. Change of perimeter. So unit is centimeter per unit time. So per second. Hope you understand the solution. And in the next part of the question is what? I just write down these things. So area with a A. It is what? X into y. You know that rate of change of area, that is dA dt. dt of xy. So you have to use u into v rule. U, that is dx dy dt plus y dx dt. Put the value of dy dt and dx dt. Your dy dt value is equal to 4 and dx dt value is equal to minus 5. So this is your dA dt at dA dt. But your question is to find out dA dt at the instant when x equal to 8 centimeter and y equal to 6 centimeter. So put the value of x equal to 8 and y equal to 6. This one. 4x. X means 8. Plus minus is minus. 5 into y means 6. So that is equal to 32 minus 30. And the unit is what? Centimeter square, because area, right? So this is equal to 2, unit is centimeter per minute. Sorry, this should be minute, okay, because it is given in minute. So you see, this is the solution of the second part of the question. Okay, today I stop here. Next video I'll do the remaining question. Thank you.